Florida homeowners are no strangers to heat and humidity, and Gainesville is no exception. With sweltering summers, frequent rain, and persistent moisture in the air, your home's exterior must be equipped to withstand these elements. One often overlooked component in your home's protection strategy is your exterior doors. Choosing weather-resistant doors isn't just about durability, it's about performance, safety, and long-term value. The impact of humidity on standard doors. Humidity is notorious for damaging traditional door materials like untreated wood or low-grade composites. When exposed to high moisture levels over time, these materials can swell, warp, and even crack. In Gainesville's humid climate, this problem is accelerated, potentially leading to poor door fit due to expansion and contraction, increased air leaks and reduced insulation performance, higher energy bills as HVAC systems work harder, rot and mildew growth, particularly at the door's base. If your door sticks during summer or shows visible signs of warping, it's likely suffering from the toll of moisture exposure. That's where weather-resistant doors come into play. Benefits of weather-resistant door material. Unlike conventional options, weather-resistant doors are designed specifically to handle extreme environmental conditions. Materials like fiberglass, steel, and engineered wood composites offer superior performance in Gainesville's subtropical climate. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the top choices for humid environments. It resists warping, cracking, and rust, and it mimics the appearance of real wood for a high-end aesthetic. Plus, it's energy efficient and can be insulated to prevent heat gain and loss, a huge bonus in Florida. Steel doors. Steel is strong, secure, and highly resistant to moisture. Today's steel doors are coated and treated to avoid rust, and their solid cores add insulation value. For homeowners prioritizing security and durability, steel is a smart, long-lasting choice. Composite doors. Made from engineered materials, composite doors are built to withstand fluctuating temperatures and moisture levels. They won't swell or shrink, and they require very little maintenance compared to traditional wood. Improved energy efficiency in humid climates. In Gainesville's hot, humid summers, your cooling system works hard to maintain indoor comfort. A poorly sealed or warped door allows cool air to escape and hot air to enter, resulting in uncomfortable rooms and inflated utility bills. Weather-resistant doors. Maintain a tight seal year-round and block thermal transfer. Reduce HVAC workload. Lower monthly energy costs. These features make them not only a weather-smart choice but also a budget-smart one. Protection from storms and flooding. Florida's storm season is another key reason to upgrade to weather-resistant doors. A quality door can act as a first line of defense against heavy rain, wind, and flying debris. Look for options with reinforced cores, multi-point locking systems, and water-resistant thresholds. These upgrades help prevent water intrusion and storm-related damage. Low maintenance and longevity. In humid environments, traditional doors may require frequent painting, sealing, or even full replacements due to moisture damage. Weather-resistant doors eliminate most of this hassle. Their resistance to mold, mildew, rust, and rot means you'll enjoy fewer repair costs, minimal cleaning requirement, a longer lifespan, often 20+ years. Final thoughts. Invest in long-term comfort and protection. Replacing your door might not be the first home improvement project that comes to mind, but in a place like Gainesville, it can make a big difference. A weather-resistant door provides better insulation, more security, and protection from the elements, all while improving the look and value of your home. If you're dealing with sticky doors, rising energy bills, or signs of water damage, it's time to consider a door replacement designed for Gainesville's climate. Contact a local expert today to explore the best weather-resistant options for your home.